In this video, I will show you how location-wise payment works in our multi-location WooCommerce system and how control payment methods per store or warehouse. Location-wise payment allows you to enable or restrict payment methods based on the selected store or warehouse location. This ensures customers only see payment options that are valid for their chosen location. Before enabling location-wise payment, you must first add payment gateways in WooCommerce and then assign them to locations. Without this step, location-wise filtering will not work. So let's start by adding or managing payment methods globally in WooCommerce. So for that, from WooCommerce, go to Settings. Then open Payments tab. Here you will get Payments option. You can install Pay in your checkout or can choose from offline payments. Go back. And this option, Cash on Pickup, is powered by Plugincy. Customers just select Cash on Pickup at checkout, choose a store location and pay when they arrive. And it's perfect for location stores and multi-location business. To make checkout easier, you can enable Cash on Pickup today. Let's enable this option. Now click Manage to any payment method to configure the title and add description, instruction, and for choosing shipping methods. Then you need to click Save Changes. You can add more payment options from here. Next, we will assign payment methods to specific locations. So for that, go to Location Manage and open Locations. Here you can add new location or can edit any existing one. Now let's edit Japan. Now scroll down to the payment section. Here you can see payment methods. Click here. You'll see the list of all active WooCommerce payment gateways. Now let's choose payment method, cash on delivery, and go down. Now click Update. Now we need to activate the location specific payment logic. For that, go to Location Manage and open Settings. Here open Location Wise Everything tab. Then go to Payments. Now enable location wise payment method. Here only payment methods assigned to the selected location will be shown, or if you disable it, all active WooCommerce payment methods will appear regardless of location. Let's active it and click Save Changes. Now let's see what happens on the front end. So for only this location, the payment method only will be the cash on delivery. You may have question why use location wise payment. So it controls which locations support cash on delivery, bank payments or online gateways. It helps customers to see only valid payment options, reducing confusion and checkout errors. And it easily supports country-specific or region-specific payment gateways. So here are some best practices to get the best results. Assign payment methods immediately after adding a location. Use cash on delivery only for local pickup or nearby delivery. Always test checkouts after changing location rules. Disable unused gateways. Configure API-based gateways before assigning them. So with location-wise payment, your WooCommerce store becomes smarter, cleaner, and fully location-aware. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our channel for more advanced configuration options.